She takes a story told of courage, power, and heart of gold. She's unstoppable.